next. Okay, next cleanse is going to be 4 birds on the branch. So you put your hands like this. These are the 4 birds, your fingertips. The branch is your thumb. 4 birds on the branch, so they're all touching on both hands. Feet about shoulder width apart, and then swing up, fling out all negative thoughts, energies, feelings, emotions. Just fling, fling. Let the trail heal, come up off the ground. Exhale. You can exhale forcefully if you want. At the end, you fling it out. As many times as you feel is necessary.